Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is bankruptcy and taxes, and frequently these two things go together. Makes sense. People don't just run out of money to pay taxes, they run out of money to pay other bills or run into other financial problems, and taxes seem to always be part of the problem. So I have a couple of points. So first point is that this is a complex matter. I can't make a general statement. Nobody can to say whether you can dismiss tax debt in bankruptcy or you can't. The answer is it depends, and we discuss it separately for every individual case. But there are a few general comments that I can make that are useful in all cases. One is, if you're considering bankruptcy, talk to a tax expert and a bankruptcy lawyer, a CPA that's familiar and a lawyer that's familiar. Often, we professionals are good at one and not perfect at the other. We often have some overlapping knowledge, but not enough to really be fully competent. And I don't mean to be knocking any bankruptcy attorneys, but I've seen plenty of oversights where attorneys just didn't consider the tax possibilities, tax planning opportunities, or other details that could have saved clients money. That's not their job to save you taxes. So you do need to consider that separately. The second point is, I say this in many episodes, it always makes sense to file your tax returns. Two things. One is you can't go through a federal bankruptcy proceeding and complete it successfully if you have unfiled tax returns. They have to be filed. Second is, if you filed your tax returns and haven't paid the debt, you can get some cases get that debt dismissed. If you haven't filed the return, there's no chance that you're going to get that tax debt from prior years dismissed. Simple as that. So I hope that is a couple of take-home pointers. If you're struggling, unfortunately, a lot of people are struggling post-COVID. These programs that infused cash are no longer there, and it's changing the economy. And we're expecting a tightening economy and a possible recession in the future. So we will see more of these issues, and we will have to talk about it and address it. I'd love to hear your thoughts or comments or feedback on social media. Leave me a comment or reach me one-on-one at taxproblems.cpa. I will be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.